63.7.17. Use of spot lamps, auxiliary driving lamps, and signal lamps. 1. Spot lamp. Any motor vehicle or motorcycle may be equipped with not to exceed one spot lamp. Every lighted spot lamp shall be so aimed and used upon approaching another vehicle that no part of the beam will be directed into the eyes of the approaching driver. Spot lamps may not emit other than either a white or amber lamp. 2. Auxiliary driving lights. Any motor vehicle may be equipped with not to exceed 2 auxiliary driving lamps mounted on the front at a height not less than 12 nor more than 42 inches above the level surface of which the vehicle stands. Every such auxiliary driving lamp or lamp shall meet the requirements and limitations set forth in subsection 3 of this section. 3. Signal lamps. Whenever a motor vehicle is equipped with a signal lamp, comply with the provisions of section 63.3.709. The signal lamp shall be construed and located on the vehicle as to give a signal which shall be plainly visible in normal sunlight from a distance of 100 feet to the rear of the vehicle, shall not project a glaring or dazzling light. And don't forget to like button, subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Let's keep it going. Comment below. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.